How to set up Life360. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Now setting up Life360 involves downloading, so open up your app store, type in Life360, install the app. After completely installing, tap onto the open button so that you can go ahead and create your account. If you already have an account, you can tap onto the sign in button and log in with your credentials. And if you're new to Life360, you could simply press on get started, enter in your phone number that you want to register with, and tap on continue. Next, you will be asked to enable all sort of permissions, create a passcode, all that. And once you've done that, you will be able to successfully set up your Life360 account. And after you've done that, you could simply go ahead and tap on the continue button. And that is basically how you will be able to set up your Life360. You could also save your home address. You could also go ahead and add in your additional information and all that. And that is basically how you'll be able to set up your Life360 account. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.